Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see the Schreiben section of Goethe German A1 level exam. So sample paper we are seeing from a few videos. In today's video, specifically we'll see Schreiben section and what are the questions going to come. Schreiben meaning writing. So in that, two tiles are there, two parts are there. So let's start with the video. So this is Schreiben section. Schreiben is writing. This is for 15 marks and the time duration is approximately 20 minutes, right? So we'll start with tile 1. There are two tiles. We'll see those. Tile 1 is there will be one text or information, and based on that information, you will have to, it is like fill in the blanks kind of thing. You have to write down or fill the missing blanks. Okay. Ihre Freundin Eva K. Devi macht mit ihrem Mann und ihren beiden Söhnen 8 und 11 Jahre alt. This means this Eva, suppose your friend Eva, she is on vacation with her husband and two sons. Urlaub in Seeheim, meaning in Seeheim, she is on vacation in Seeheim. Im Reisebüro bucht sie für den nächsten Sonntag eine Busfahrt den Bodensee. Bodensee is Lake Constance in English. So now she has booked one bus ride to Bodensee next Sunday, okay, through one travel agency or tourist office. This Frau Kadevi hat keine credit card, meaning she had no credit card. Okay, this is information they have given to you. In dem Formular fehlen 5 Informationen. What you have to do now, you have to fill in 5 blanks. Okay, 5 blanks are missing or 5 words are missing. There you have to fill those based on this information. Helfen Sie Ihrer Freundin und schreiben Sie die 5 fehlenden, meaning missing fehlenden Informationen in this formula. In this form, there one form is given, registration form. There you have to fill the blanks. Am Ende schreiben Sie Ihre Lösungen bitte auf den Antwortbogen. Meaning what you have to do at the end on the answer sheet, you have to write your solutions or answers separately. Okay, this is clear. So we'll see this registration form now, and then based on that, we'll see where to fill in the blanks. Now here, Bodensee Rundfahrt, meaning Bodensee, Lake Constance round trip. Anmeldung is registration. Okay. Now here, Familienname, phone number, they have already given. Familienname is surname, phone name is your first name. Then this is Anzahl der Personen, meaning you have to fill the number of persons, number of people. So it is 4. So you can write down fear. Or if you want in brackets number 4 also, you can write Davon Kinder, in which this thing, how many are the children? So you can write zwei, okay, 2. Now here, Urlaub addresser, they have given hotel name. Then Strasse also they have given, house number they have given, PLZ meaning post pin code, that also they have given 78014. Now Urlaubsort meaning vacation spot. Now here, if you see, it is Seeheim. The vacation spot is Seeheim. So you have to write it down there. Okay. So this is the form. Then der Reisepreis ist mit Anmeldung zu bezahlen, meaning the charges, the travel charges will be upon the registration. Now here, Zahlungsweise, meaning what is your method of paying? Bar is cash or credit card. Okay, credit card. Now here, we have seen in that text that she had no credit card, Eva. So you can tick mark this bar, meaning through cash, she will pay that. Okay. Now here, rise a termine, meaning when are you going for the vacation date, exact date, or rise a travel date. So here it is like in the text it is given next Sunday, next is Zontag, next in Zontag. So Zontag you can write, and the next Sunday's date, because you have to specify the date, that date also you can write it down here in Reisetermin. And then Unterschrift is signed. She has already signed it there, Eva. Now this is the first tile. Okay. So in that registration form, you have to fill the information. Now Schreiben tile 2 will see hier, Sie möchten im August Dresden besuchen. Suppose you would like to visit to Dresden in August. Schreiben Sie an die Touristinformation. Meaning, now you have to write to tourist information. Whatever these points they have given, based on that, you have to write the letter. It should be approximately of 30 words. Okay. And this, you have to cover these points. Warum schreiben Sie? Why are you writing to Tourist Information Center? Then you can write that you want to travel to or you want to visit to Dresden. Everything you have to write it in German. Bitten Sie Informationen über Filme, Museen, USW. USW meaning it is like how we say etc. Right? It is like und sie weiter. So in that it will cover. Then Kultur program and fragen Sie hotel address. And then you will have to ask the hotel address also. So based on these points, you have to write the letter. Now here what they have written, schreiben Sie zu jedem Punkt ein bis zwei Sätze auf den Antwortbogen, meaning in the answer sheet, you have to write at least one or two sentences on each point. Okay, whatever points they have given, on each point you have to write at least one or two sentences. You have to cover that. Schreiben Sie auch eine Anrede und einen Gruß, meaning you have to write or you have to start the letter with salutations and end with greetings. So salutations like sehr geehrte Damen, Herren, meaning dear madam and sir. And then you can end the letter with greetings like viele Grüße von your name. So this is all about the letter that you have to write in the answer sheet. Okay. So this is the Schreiben section. I hope this is clear with you. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.